Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi friends and dosto. Today I am going to make my first proclamation. Podcast. And this is going to be quite a funny story. Funny podcast by Mr. Shahnawaz. By the way, that was just a music effect. This is dedicated to my beloved cat Cuddles. He is a boy. So, we shall start this story with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A very funny podcast. Once upon a time, there was a man who sold labels. He died. He sadly died. His son had to take over. For many years, he was wondering that there was a box that was collecting dust that said, "Do not open." He waited for many years. One day he got fed up of waiting and then opened it. He was so shocked that he wasted all his years waiting just to open this "Do not open" box. Then he was surprised that there were labels of "Do not open." He was so upset and disappointed that he'd wasted all these years waiting to open this box and only found some "Do not open" labels. There were thousands and thousands of labels that said, "Do not open, do not open, do not open, do not open." So, this is the end of the story. There is a saying that says, "Curiosity kills the cat." That means we shall not be curious for anything that might disturb our peace. Just like the man, he waited for years and years, getting curious every day. And at the end, he got fed up and then he opened the box and he saw labels. He realized he'd wasted all his years waiting just to open a box of labels. What a shame. This podcast ends here. And Allah Hafiz from me and my lovely doubly cat and my lovely cuddly cat.